Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to get 100,000 followers for free. So for example, one of my accounts, which is called WillUM, it has 98.8 thousand followers, 100k followers, and I'll show you guys how to get it within a few minutes. And you guys can also check on real Instagram. You guys can look up my username and you can see for proof that I do have 100,000 followers, and I'll show you guys how to get 100,000 in a few clicks. So we want to use nizop.com, which is this OP website that I've been using, and it's also what I actually use to get all these followers. And basically, you just want to go to nizop.com using a link in the description, and you just want to sign up for a free account. And then once you make your free account, you just want to go to Instagram followers, guaranteed, and real. So basically, this not guaranteed means that the followers drop, but guaranteed means that the followers are permanent and they never go away. So it's exactly what you want, right? So I want to give myself 1,000 more permanent followers, so I get to 99.8 thousand. And at the end of this video, you guys can actually go to your own Instagrams on your phones and check my account to see proof that I do have like 99.8 thousand. But yeah, put in my username. All you need to do is put in your username over here and put in 1,000 as your followers and just click purchase now, and it says the average time is 6 minutes. But we're gonna do purchase now, and as of right now it is 9:05 p.m. So I'll check back in a bit to see if the followers have sent, and I'll update the screen, and you guys can check for yourselves as well. Be right back. So I just went outside and exercised a bit, so I'm kind of out of breath, but we're at 99.8k followers right now. And if you guys go to my account on Instagram on your own phones and stuff, you guys can see that it is in fact 99.8k. So I think it's like 922. I forgot when we started, but we went 1,000 followers in like about 10 minutes. Probably a lot less because I just like wasn't here to check. But yeah, that's all for this video. Also, I'm going to be giving away 1,000 free followers to someone in the comments. So leave your usernames in the comments. And in the beginning of the next video, I'll announce who wins the free 1,000 followers. So yeah, bye-bye.